Riri Arutwo thukuru-ini cia JSS itanyitwo kuongerereka kinyagia Arutwo mirioni 3.2 mwaka ukite. Unyihu wa kigina kia mahuthiro ma Arutwo waya gugacungiriria gutharara kwa mathomo.
Who are these? We have junior school.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo BELIO KIPSANG, thirikari ndibangĩire mbeca cia mahuthiro ma Arutwo mirioni 1 aria matanyitwo kuingira grade ya kenda mwaka ukite.
On free day secondary, on the junior school funding, this one we shall not be able to fund 1 million learners, so we are requesting for 15.9 billion shillings for grade 9 when they join in January.
KIPSANG ATARIIRIE KAMITII ya MBUNGE ĩgiĩ gĩthomo atĩ kwa ihinda iraya thirikari ndĩkoretwo ĩgĩkinyaniria mbeca iria ciendekithĩtio cia mahuthiro ma Arutwo, ona kũhanĩra ũguo akiuga rita rĩrĩ uyu ni undu ungithararia mihango yothe ya mathomo.
We are running short of 622,000 shillings in our primary schools. If nothing was to happen, I think this is one area where we can also try to see how we can be able to spread that shortfall across. But for junior school, it will be very difficult for us to proceed because a whole class has been excluded.
Kamiti ino yugite hamwe na mbeca cia mahuthiro ma Arutwo, tafarira ya irio mathukuru-ini, waki wa irathi na ukinyaniria wa igeranio cia kĩbũrũri iria itanyĩtwo mũthia-inĩ wa mwaka itibatie ona hanini kwehererio kana kunyihirio kigina.
If 1 million students are not captured in the capitation, and which means they are not going to get their capitation money, where are these students going to get the money from?
3 main areas that you need to put a lot of emphasis on is that make sure that you have the money reach the schools. Make sure the services are felt on the ground so that we avoid a lot of grudging, a lot of complaints.
Kwa ihinda rĩrĩ, ministry ya githomo yugite kuri na unyihu wa shiringi milioni 622 ici ari mbeca cia mahuthiro ma Arutwo aria makoragwo na mawathe thukuru-ini cia muthingi, shiringi bilioni 15.8 cia mahuthiro ma Arutwo a JSS, shiringi bilioni 12.7 mbeca cia mahuthiro ma Arutwo a thukuru cia secondary, shiringi bilioni 5 cia urugamiriri wa igeranio na shiringi bilioni 742 cia ukinyaniria wa mihango ya kanjo ya igeranio bũrũri-inĩ.
We have made all the necessary arrangements that we are required to do as a ministry to ensure that we are prepared to deliver the exam and assessment in October, November. And I would want to believe that in whatever way we must be able to get this resource of 5.083 billion shillings for invigilation and examination and 792 for operations of examination council.
Kamiti ino oho ni tumurite ciuria cia uria tafarira ya irio mathukuru-ini ithamitio kuma rungu rwa ministry ya githomo kinyagia ruhonge-ini rwa gutangikira mogwati guku bũrũri-ini.
Somebody just sits and decides that you're going to move something that are structured, then you take it to another department. For what reasons? And I would want Treasury to tell us what interest do they have with this school feeding program.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandĩro.